Home Assistant versus Hubitat. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your connected living without compromising privacy or flexibility. Home Assistant offers open source customization, while Hubitat focuses on local control and simplicity. Home Assistant and Hubitat are popular smart home platforms designed to automate devices and improve convenience. The core difference lies in their architecture. Home Assistant is open source and cloud optional, while Hubitat emphasizes local processing for faster, more private automation. Home Assistant is an open source smart home platform that runs on local hardware like a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server. It integrates thousands of devices and services through its extensive library of community-developed add-ons and plugins. Home Assistant works by continuously monitoring devices and sensors, allowing users to create complex automation rules using YAML or its visual editor. Its strengths include unmatched flexibility, a vibrant user community, and support for virtually any smart device. However, it requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which can be a challenge for beginners. Home Assistant is ideal for tech-savvy users who want full control over their smart home ecosystem, prefer open-source solutions, and value privacy by keeping data local or within their network. Hubitat Elevation is a smart home hub focused on local automation and privacy. It runs on dedicated hardware that processes all automations locally, eliminating reliance on the cloud for most functions. Hubitat supports a wide range of devices through native integrations and community-developed drivers, offering a user-friendly web interface for setup and automation creation. Its key strengths are fast response times, strong privacy protections, and ease of use compared to open-source alternatives. However, Hubitat's device support is narrower than Home Assistant's, and it offers less customization for advanced users. Hubitat is best suited for users who want reliable, local control with minimal cloud dependency and prefer a simpler setup without deep technical involvement. Home Assistant and Hubitat both excel at local automation but cater to different user needs. Home Assistant offers broader device compatibility and deeper customization, perfect for enthusiasts willing to invest time in setup. Its open source nature means continuous updates and community support. Hubitat provides quicker automation execution with a focus on privacy, ideal for users who want a plug-and-play experience with local control. While Home Assistant can be more complex, it supports more integrations and advanced scenarios. Hubitat simplifies management but limits flexibility. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize customization and device support or ease of use and privacy. Choose Home Assistant if you want maximum flexibility, extensive device support, and are comfortable with a hands-on setup for a truly personalized smart home. Options Samurai versus Reaper prefer straightforward local automation with strong privacy and fast response times, without the complexity of open source platforms. Both platforms empower your smart home, so pick the one that fits your technical comfort and control preferences best.